Let's fill out the New York dog bill of sale together, so both the seller and the buyer walk away with clear, dated proof of the sale and the dog's details. Start at the top with the date of sale. Then the seller's details, in our example that's Anna Baker, with her address, phone, and email. Then the buyer's, Ben Carter, with the same. 2 quick habits. Enter each name exactly as it appears on that person's ID, and on the title, a nickname or a typo can stall the transfer later. And don't leave a line blank. If something doesn't apply, write NA. Next, describe the dog. Add the name if it has one, then the breed, the sex, the date of birth, any registration or microchip number, the color, and the health condition. The more specific you are, the stronger the record of exactly which animal changed hands. Now the purchase date and the sale price in our example, $8,500, paid all at once, by check. Write the real price. A figure that does not match what actually changed hands leaves the buyer with weaker proof and can raise questions later. Now the signatures. The seller and the buyer each print their name, sign, and date. This form also has witness lines and a notary block. Use them if your state requires it, or add a witness for extra proof. Then make 2 copies. Each side keeps a signed one. If you're buying or selling a dog in New York, here's what the law requires you to know. When a dog is sold, the pet dealer must provide certain information in writing to the buyer. The commissioner sets the rules for exactly what that information must include, and the dealer must certify it by signing the document. If the dog is one that requires a rabies vaccination under state law, the dealer must also hand the buyer a written notice at the point of sale, summarizing rabies immunization requirements. That notice comes from the Department of Health. Now, if a buyer believes the dog is unfit for purchase due to illness, they have 14 business days following the sale or receipt of the required written notice, whichever came last, to act. For congenital conditions, that window extends to 180 calendar days. Remember, this is general information, not legal or tax advice.